Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to track your steps using Google Fit. Ready to get started? First, download the Google Fit app from the Play Store or App Store. Open it and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the dashboard. This is where all your fitness data will be displayed. Tap on the steps icon to display your step count. This allows you to monitor your daily activity effortlessly. You can set daily goals for steps. Achieving these goals can motivate you to stay active. Remember to sync your data regularly. This keeps all your step information accurate and up to date. To enhance your experience, connect Google Fit with other fitness apps like Strava or MyFitnessPal. Explore the Insights feature to see trends over time. Understanding your activity patterns can help you improve. Consider using a smartwatch to track your steps effortlessly, keeping your phone in your pocket. Regularly check your progress. Celebrate your achievements and adjust your goals based on your performance. Finally, don't forget to stay hydrated and take breaks during your walks. Keeping healthy is key. Now you're ready to track your steps effectively. Start your fitness journey today with Google Fit.